You are welcome to Geojay GIS Solution Tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today, I want to show you how to change language settings of QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. So in QGIS, if you want to change the language settings, come to Settings, click on Options, then come under General. Check this Override System Locale. Check this. Then you come here under User Interface Translations. Click this drop down. You can see various languages that you can choose. So for example, let's say you are going with this American English. Click on American English. Then these are numbers, date, and currency formats. You can choose any of these. We have different formats. For example, let's choose English United Kingdom. For example, English United Kingdom. You can see it has changed accordingly. So after that, you click on OK to effect this change. However, before these changes can become effective, you must restart QGIS before it can be effective. This is how to change language in QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.